have one of these messy live oak trees like you see behind us that are leaving these messy acorns. Let's see that, Ryan. The messy acorns here on the ground that you'll find. All right, Ryan, tell us about this live oak tree and the issue and how you treat it and when you treat it.
So if you have a live oak, a lot of people don't really realize that there's a solution to deal with the acorns that create a mess in your front yard. So our company has a service, but other people do the service where you actually can go and apply a product called a growth regulator on the bark of the tree. And by doing so, you can actually reduce the amount of fruit on there too. So if you've got a tripping hazard, trying to reduce a tripping hazard in someone's front yard or in your own front yard, and you want to reduce the amount of fruit that's going to be put on for this tree, there's a solution for it. So we use a growth regulator, and what that does is it actually will reduce that fruit that's populated for that given year.
And when is a proper time to apply
Timing
this?
wise, if you heard about olive tree spraying or olive tree fruit reduction, you can do that. We do it in the springtime, so roughly in March, plus or minus a couple weeks. We time the application against right before the pinhead starts to come out before the budding, which is 2 to 4 weeks. So likely sometime in mid to early March.
All right, Ryan, tell people how they can get a hold of you and a little bit about your company.
Yeah, so if you have a live oak and like us to talk to you about reducing the acorns on your tree and reducing the mess you have, reach out to us at adaptivephs.com, adaptive PHS, and come out and do an assessment for you, give you a price, and then we offer this service. We do typically do this service sometime in March timeframe. We do it 2 to 4 weeks ahead of the buds forming, which is around March.
So how soon should they get a hold of you to get that on the schedule?
Yeah, if this is 2026, you want to call us right away. So phone number 602-777-7764.
Awesome. Thanks so much.